I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal to make money. First, you'll need to set up a business account, which offers more robust features for receiving payments compared to a personal one. This is a crucial first step. Next, link your bank account or a debit card to your PayPal profile. This connection is essential for both receiving and withdrawing funds. Finally, complete the identity verification process. This typically involves providing a few pieces of information and helps remove any transaction limits, ensuring smooth operations for your business. The primary way to make money with PayPal is by receiving payments for goods or services you sell. Whether you're an online entrepreneur, a freelancer, or selling handmade crafts, PayPal provides a secure platform. You can easily generate a custom payment link or embed a PayPal button directly onto your website or social media pages. This allows your customers to pay you quickly and conveniently, often in just a few clicks. Always communicate clearly with your buyers about your payment terms and conditions. For service-based businesses, PayPal's invoicing feature is incredibly useful. You can create and send professional, detailed invoices directly to your clients, specifying the services provided and the amount due. It's important to remember that PayPal charges a small transaction fee for most commercial payments received. Typically, this is around 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction. Always factor these fees into your pricing strategy to ensure you maintain your desired profit margins and cover your operational costs effectively. Once you've accumulated funds in your PayPal account, you can easily withdraw them. The most common method is transferring your balance directly to your linked bank account, which usually takes 1 to 3 business days. Alternatively, you might consider applying for a PayPal debit card, allowing you to access your funds instantly at ATMs or for purchases. Remember to keep meticulous records of all your transactions. This practice is vital for managing your finances and for accurate tax reporting at the end of the fiscal year.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.